So the last piece that I have actually is not related to this assignment, but you probably need it while you're working on different like a part of assignment two, is the different commas. One is circle, arc, and polygon. So for the circle and arc, I mean, uh, in the fast like a way of bringing the running the circle command is just typing C, and that's the first command. But under the draw menu, you have the circle, and if I open up the drop down menu, you see that it has a multiple option and multiple ways of drawing a circle. And they are each of them, there are different circumstances that you want to use a different type. For example, sometimes you want to use a center and give a radius, or you have the center and you have a diameter and you just give it a diameter. Or there are, like, for example, two endpoint of object and you just want to draw a circle in that area. So, or 3 points, which is basically, so I'm not gonna go over all the piece of it, but the concept is the same as the other commands that we talk about so far. So basically, for example, the rerunning the comments, then the AutoCAD start asking you about the different pieces. And the key in order to be successfully completing the task for or running that command is that's just going to responding back to whatever AutoCAD requested from you. For example, here it asked me for a certain point, so center point. So let's say, for example, my center point here. So I'm going to click on here, and it's to start drawing it in a radius. If I have a diameter, I can just put the diameter. So if I want to have the circle from here to here, just eventually just go here and click on the second point, or I can just type the dimension, and it's give me drawing the circle for me. So covering or going all over of these things, it's not going to be that much helpful, except that you just explore by yourself, or based on the different essence of the project, you just have challenge and you're trying to use different like a different formats of like drawing a circle. For example, let's say for a 2 point, if I just know that, for example, let's say to specify the first end point, I know that I want to draw a circle. I don't know where is the center between these 2 points, and I want to use this point and this point here without knowing that where is the center of the circle. I can easily draw a circle between those two lines. So basically what I'm trying to say is that you don't need to memorize all those things. There are times that you actually getting challenged and you want to just do something, and basically you can use this drop down menu, and if you go over each of these comments, if you wait enough, the AutoCAD, some of them has a video, some of them they don't, but it's just give you the exact format or exact like how that specific function works, or in which circumstances you can use them.